Bryan Health has started a new set of pacemaker technology, and it's having life-changing effects. Channel 8's Annie Elming has a success story of a patient who received a pacemaker, but not in the usual spot.
Weeks ago, former coach for the Saltdogs, Jim Haller, had a pacemaker that looked just like this inserted, something that gave him a new lease on life.
Haller spent most of his life as an athlete, and yet he struggled with fatigue and not feeling like himself for years.
I was in trouble, but I kept denying it. Didn't even tell my wife for maybe 2 years that I was experiencing that. And then I started experiencing what felt like a high indigestion in my chest.
Doctors decided a pacemaker was his best option for his low heart rate. They took a different approach and inserted it into the bottom left ventricle of his heart instead of the right, because that's where his heart needed the most help.
My practice at this point, it's the preferred method because I think long-term it's the one that gives the patients the best chance of feeling well, having the lowest risk of downstream complications or issues.
Haller says within an hour of the procedure, he felt better, and it was the first time in a long time he has felt normal.
From the time I came out of that procedure until I started feeling better was minutes. It wasn't days. It was minutes.
Haller says he's looking forward to doing things like going on walks and enjoying time with his grandkids. Reporting in Lincoln, Annie Elming, Channel 8 News.